Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Èrùmólè, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Òfún Méjì reveals how long it took Olódùmarè to complete his work of creation. Òdìbìrẹ̀kùrẹ̀kùlẹ̀rẹ̀, òdìbìrìdìrìdì, le'ale akakpo Ògún, kọ́bọ̀ eledare, hibìrẹ̀kùrẹ̀kù, òdìbìrẹ̀kùrẹ̀kùlẹ̀rẹ̀, òdìbìrìdìrìdì, je akakpo Òrúnmìlà, kọ́bọ̀ eledare, hibìrẹ̀kùrẹ̀kù, òdìbìrẹ̀kùrẹ̀kùlẹ̀rẹ̀, òdìbìrìdìrìdì, je ashe ogba Èrùmólè, kiwonbo eleda awon, hibìrẹ̀kùrẹ̀kù. The difficult problem that was peacefully resolved in the end was the name of the Awo, who performed divination for Ògún, Ológun, Òrúnmìlà, and all the other divinities. He advised them to offer sacrifice to their guardian angels over a period of 6 days, so that they could rest in peace and tranquility on the 7th day. Òrúnmìlà asked why the sacrifice had to last 7 days instead of just one. The Awo replied that Olódùmarè, God, had taken 6 days to create the earth, the seas, the atmosphere, the plants, the animals, and humanity. The reason why God created all organic and inorganic matter before creating the human race was to provide shelter for mankind, water to drink, food to eat, air to breathe, and to allow himself to dedicate the 7th day to a life of peaceful rest in the heavens. He revealed that God rested on the 7th day after completing the creation of the divinosphere. He told them that in accordance with the precedent set by God during creation, it would take 6 days to complete the initiation ceremony of any Ifa priest, and the priest must clean the house and rest on the 7th day. Only through this sacred process would the sacrifice manifest. Òrúnmìlà then asked again whether a 7-day ceremony would not lead to arguments and confusion during the process. The Awo replied that it is forbidden to have fights or discord during the initiation ceremony. Àíkòró lu ile Awo, Orágun de ile ekun èékpàá.